Ever found yourself staring at your bank account, wondering when that recently deposited check will actually show up? You're not alone. It's a common question, and understanding how long it takes for a check to clear can save you a lot of hassle, especially when you're counting on those funds. We've all been there. You deposit a check, eager to pay a bill or make a purchase, only to find the money isn't quite available yet. So, how long does it really take for TD Bank to deposit a check and make those funds accessible? Let's dive in. Standard check deposit times at TD Bank. For most standard check deposits at TD Bank, you can generally expect your funds to be available by the next business day. This applies whether you deposit a check in person at a branch, at an ATM, or through the mobile app. However, there's a crucial factor, the cutoff time. If you deposit a check on a business day, Monday through Friday, excluding federal holidays, before 8 p.m. Eastern Time, that day is considered your deposit date, and the funds will typically be available the following business day. If you deposit after 8 p.m. Eastern Time, on a weekend, or on a federal holiday, your deposit date will be the next business day, meaning your funds will be available 2 business days after you physically made the deposit. Factors that can affect availability. While next business day is the general rule, several factors can influence how quickly your check deposit becomes available. New accounts ***. If your TD Bank account is relatively new, typically less than 30 days old, there might be a longer hold on your check deposits. For instance, you might get immediate access to the first $100, then $175 the next business day, with the full amount available 3 business days after the deposit. Large deposits deposits over a certain amount, like $6,725, can trigger an extended hold. While you might get an initial portion, e.g., $100, immediately, the remainder could be held for up to 7 business days as the bank takes extra steps to verify the funds. Suspicious activity If TD Bank has reason to believe a check might be fraudulent or uncollectible, they may place a longer hold on the entire amount, potentially up to 7 business days. They are required to notify you if such a hold is placed. Type of check While most personal checks follow the standard timeline, certain checks like government checks, cashier's checks, or certified checks often clear faster, sometimes even the next business day, regardless of the amount. Conversely, checks drawn on foreign banks will take significantly longer to clear. What if you need funds sooner? Sometimes, waiting isn't an option. TD Bank offers a service called TD Fast Funds for eligible check deposits. For a 2% service fee, with a minimum of $5, you can get instant access to your funds. You'll need to visit a TD Bank branch to determine if your check is eligible for this service. This can be a lifesaver when you have urgent expenses or need to cover pending payments. Understanding these timelines and policies can help you manage your finances more effectively and avoid unexpected delays or fees. It's always a good idea to check your account's available balance through the TD Bank app or online banking before making a withdrawal or purchase you're unsure about. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.